This is Mom and
DeShawn.
again. Tonight we went after dinner to Toys R Us. And DeShawn got this very special toy. Plants vs. Zombies. And it actually is motorized. And it works. So, DeShawn wants to do this tonight.
So it's a
Tonight.
This is how many pieces?
319. And it's 3:58. And he wants to do it tonight. So, we have got to get going here. So,
if we want to do it tonight.
I don't.
I do.
I don't.
I do.
But, because I am a super nice mom, and look at him kiss up, y'all. Anyways, stop there. Calm down. Anyways, because I'm a super nice mom, and he only has a very short time left of his summer before he starts the 3rd grade and has to really work hard this year. Yes, his super nice mom is going to do this with him right now.
Isn't that
or at least start it. I have limitations on how long I'm willing to work on this tonight.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's not done, we'll pick it up and we'll put it away until tomorrow. So me and
DeShawn.
Yeah, DeShawn are about to go wild on this Plants vs. Zombies.
Peace out.
What he said. Good night, all.